There are some people who make things happen, and there are some people who watch things happen. But there are some people who wonder what happened. To be successful, you need to be in the first category. You need to make things happen. So, what are the top 5 things by which you can really make things happen at your workplace? Be it your office, your business, or even if you work from home, this is the best video for you. So let's discuss the top 5 best things for your career, for your job and your business. Before that, my name is Gautam, host for this channel from Canada, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it now and hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Let's start this video with amazing positivity. So what are the things which you really need to know? The fifth thing which I'm going to give, the secret mantra, is going to be the very most critical, important tip for you for your life. So do watch this video till the end. The first thing which you need to do is directions. You need to understand what direction you sit and what direction you face in work, because every direction has its own energy. For example, if you sit in your office and if you work facing the east direction, east brings a lot of good luck. East direction is considered to be one of the best in your workplace. I always recommend a lot of people to work facing the east or study facing the east, because east facing gives good name, good fame, good reputation, and good credibility among your colleagues. So in your office, this is going to be very secret. Let's start working in your office. Get a desk, a place wherein you can do like work function from east facing, and this will the east direction, because east is where the sun rise, east is where all the planets rise, the ascendant rise, east is where the energy forces rise. So when you face the east and work, that gives utmost productivity and very good results in your career. The second direction is west. If you face the west facing desk and you work facing the west, this is very good for you in the creative field. Like if you are in the creative work, in your creative career path, then west facing is very good. But how about north? If you face the north directions are considered very good for knowledge, education, training. Like if you are in your probation period, you should face north and work, because that will give you a lot of wisdom, a lot of good kickstart to your career path. Knowledge and education gets really strong. Specifically northeast or north is the direction of the planet Jupiter, is considered as one of the very auspicious for you. If you want to learn new things, like if you do training, if you attend workshops, if you attend conferences, sit facing the north. And how about south? South is very lucky for you if you're going for interviews. Like if you have option in an interview or anywhere, wherein if you see if you're facing the south direction, like the HR is sitting in front of you and you're facing the south direction, at the back is the north, that is going to be very lucky for you to clear your interviews very nicely. And also if your boss calls for a meeting in a conference room or somewhere, and if you are attending the meeting facing the south direction, that meeting will be in your favor. You will be the boss of your own boss. So these are the directional strength which brings a lot of good results in everyone's life. The second very important thing to really understand, follow, is the desk, the place where you work. In your office, at your home, work from home, the desk is the main space, the primary functioning area, and that has to be positive. Now how can you make it more better or positive is keep positive things at your workplace. For example, you can keep like green, small green plants, or any positive things like your lucky crystals, or your you can keep like a family photograph, or a good photo of family frame or friends photo frame, and try to keep all these things on the right side of your desk. For example, you're working here, keep all these lucky things on the right side, because our right side of our brain is very creative, very intuitive, very artistic. So all these creative things, colorful, jazzy things, has to be on the right side of your office, of your workplace. And on the left side, you can keep your phone, your landlines, you can keep stationery, your files, your diary, calendar, any stationery on the left side will be very successful, because left side of the brain is more analytical, logical, right, and very communicative. So communication, you write in the diary, you keep your phones, these are all very communicative things, very analytical and logical things has to be on the left side of your table. All right, so this is also a very important tip, that you can color code or keep a nice color theme in your workplace. Like if you're working from home, you will have a lot of possibility to color code things. You can do like a lucky color. To understand lucky color, you need to understand your birth chart, which is that one planet which is very lucky for you in your career, and you can use that planet's color in your workplace, lucky theme. You can keep lucky crystals also, and whichever planet is the most positive planet in your birth chart, in your ascendant, you can keep lucky crystals too. That brings in a lot of positivity, lot of vibration things. The next important thing in your desk is your chair, the place where you sit. Sometimes I see that a lot of people have chair which makes a lot of noise while when you get up from the chair, or when you sit, or when you are moving in your chair. There is a lot of like this irritation sound, noise which comes from the chair. That is not positive. That is considered very negative. Change the chair, or get a nice positive stable chair which should not make any much of noise. Those noise are very negative thing to attract in your personal career. Okay, change your chair today. And if you're just joining this video, hit the like button, let me know you are watching this video. Secondly, the desk space, the desk, the chair, the table has to be ergonomic. 80 to 90% of the people have Sun and Mercury conjunction, because Sun and Mercury are together, and this combination causes spinal cord issue, like shoulder spasm, spinal cord, and ergonomic issues. So if you have your desk and table very ergonomically, that will also be very healthy for you, right? This is a very important, that chair table has to be very ergonomic, so that you can function, you can stay very healthy at your workplace. Comment below and let me know what direction do you sit at your workplace, and what are the positive things you keep at your workplace. I used to keep, when I used to work in my corporate, I used to keep a you can keep some spiritual book or prayers. I used to keep Hanuman Chalisa in my desk drawer, and that used to always protect me. And it is said that if you keep a holy or any spiritual book or thing in your workplace, that attracts, that keeps you away from any negative thing or corporate politics, or people. Sometimes some people are not very friendly energy to you. Some people are jealous of your work. Some people are not happy with your work. They don't have good energies with you. So keep a holy thing in your workplace. You can hide it in your desk, that's okay, and that will protect you always. That is very important. The third very important thing for the day is that you need to kickstart your day with some positive thing. When you start for your work, like when you're moving out of your home and going to the office, first take some sunlight on your face. Let solar energy recharge you. And when you take the blessings of sun, a lot of people do like Surya Namaskar or yoga and meditation in the morning before starting the day. That is considered as very auspicious. Secondly, you can do, and this is very important, you can take a long deep breath and slowly release it before any important call, meeting, presentation. Do this. You can do up to like 3 to 5 times, but at least even if you do like one time, that releases all your anxiety. That will release everything, and you will feel very confident, and your flow of your presentation, the flow of your communication will improve drastically. So what you have to do is fill your lungs to the fullest, take the oxygen as much as you can, and slowly from your mouth, slowly you can release it. Take your own time in the world to do this. You will see good productivity, my friends. And even when you are starting to write an email or starting to make some important work project presentation, do this. You will see huge changes in next 40 to 45 days by this habit. The fourth important thing is that you have to manifest. You have to manifest things, you have to visualize. For example, you're going to call your client now. So close your eyes just visualize with the universe that your call is going to be very pleasant, that when you are going to call, it's going to be very pleasant conversation, and your ball will be in your court, you will get what you want. And if you visualize that, it makes things do happen. And not only for call, even like if you're going for meeting someone, if you have typed your email and you have to just click the send button. Before sending the send button, take 3 seconds of your life. Just take 3 seconds. Close, visualize that I'm sending this mail, and this mail is going to be very fruitful. It will bring me positive results. And when you visualize, somehow the visualization do happen. It happens to be very true with the universe. Okay, some of you might have known there's like a lot of books on this actually, right? So the last thing, the final and the very important thing for the day is maintain a very positive attitude in the office. Like, don't keep negativity, don't keep any kind of an ego with colleagues. The more you're positive at your office or at your workplace, the better it will give results. Keep smiling. Even in like difficult situations, a smile can really change a lot of vibrations and perceptions among your colleagues, specifically with your boss, with your managers. You need to have that, you need to portray that positive smile and energy from you. People should know that, okay, this person is the positive, I can work with this person for this project. And spread the fragrance of sweetness, smile, be positive with everyone, show a positive leadership, help others. That is more important. If you help others without any intention in your mind, certainly you're doing a good karma, and good karmic things do return in life. Maybe not in this job, maybe in the next job, maybe we're not with this boss, maybe with the next boss. So these are the very 5 important things. This will certainly really very much help you a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do follow me on the social media, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, for more information and interesting post. I am going to see you with another new video very soon. Till that time, if possible, share this video with your friends and family, and have a great rest of the day. Take care.